You might be wondering what these red boxes are. Well, these are gift boxes prepared for the team. Why? You may ask. If you didn't know, Pools of Art turned 3, and you need to back up and go watch our last video to know more about that. But this is the day the team went for a retreat. For turning 3. Guess where? Let me give you a second to think. So close. But no, we didn't go to Bali. We went somewhere better. Oh, look at that sea-facing pool and the 47,425 square feet villa and the exotic wildlife and skyscrapers and life-size bathtub. Wait, you don't believe me? But how would you know? You weren't even there.
Child. Anyway, so...
You probably thought we got tired and slept after that, but...
Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Let me cut you off there before you start vibing with the music and us with the party. Here's a quick Q&A with the team before the party starts.
You just yell like, like, I didn't expect this much.
Introduce yourself and your position at Pools of Art.
I am Polumi.
I'm Ashi.
Shreya.
I'm Anubhuti. Stands in Angmo. Avartika. My name is Padma. Ritika.
Kuldeep. I'm the founder of Pools of Art.
Curating and ideating and executing all of the events and workshops that we do.
Executive assistant.
Product development manager of Pools of Art.
An event associate. Event associate. An events associate.
An event associate.
Video editor.
Can you describe the vibes in today's outing?
Fun.
Fun.
Fun. Really artsy.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
She wasn't even there the entire day. She just got here 5 minutes ago.
Fun. Vibing with Ritika.
A lot of glitter.
Shiny. Bling. My soul is the brightest.
Relax.
Chaotic,
Filled with foods.
Very 1920s.
very bonding.
Electric.
What's your favorite part about the farmhouse?
The pool. We were there for like 4 hours.
It's really nice to see everyone really getting along.
Obviously the pool.
That's really
The food.
A nickname you would like to give the team today.
Like the roaring 20s.
The chaos mission.
Weirdos.
loud.
Crazy.
Just for today, Pools of Art.
अब देख तू अब तू गया बेटा अब तू गया देख
Did you try something new today?
I came for the first time in my life to a party and got food from home and ate that.
I go with the pool that clearly is not deep enough. And then, well, I hurt my head.
Doing art deco 1920s makeup.
Frying chicken wings at 6 a.m. Not yet. I wear a very beautiful makeup by Shreya.
I tried stand-up comedy very forcefully.
Sing in front of the whole team.
Yeah, I tried swimming. I can't swim.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
Who surprised you the most today and why?
Yeah, Kuldeep, he sings very well.
Angmo really surprised me today.
Shreya. Crazy willpower.
Rigango, because he kept diving in a 4-feet pool and thought that was a great idea. How can an adult man think that?
It's the first of the month.
I think Artika, with her outfit, she looks so good. I think it was Rigango with his outfit.
More because I didn't know that she could dance and sing so well.
Almost singing.
Ritika. I did not know she had a game like that. I did not know that she could dance.
How do you feel experiences like this help us as a team?
You need to see what's happening in the other room to understand how an experience like this helps the team, because they've been dancing non-stop for the last hour or so. So I think if anything we should have more of these.
It gives us a chance to shed the professional skin a little bit.
You get to see the weird parts of everybody.
See each other in a very relaxed and easy atmosphere. It brings everyone together. More of a bonding. My dream kind of trip. Today we get to just spend time and just be us.
At events, we do talk to each other, but we don't have so much time to like talk about ourselves.
Getting ready together.
This is the time that I'm pretty sure all of us will cherish.
What's one thing you learned about a teammate during this outing?
Ammo screams a lot. Like when she's excited, she screams. When she's upset, she screams. When she's having fun, she screams.
Comfortable being very vulnerable and sharing their talents by dancing and singing. And that was really nice.
I think I was really scared of water.
Kuldeep can sing really well and like really high and loud.
Oh my god, he actually sings very well.
Mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, does it show again? My, just don't miss you.
How good Shreya is at makeup. Like, look at this.
Angmo could sing so well.
That Mriganko can sing.
Patapim, patapim, chimpanzee ni banana ni tong 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 sahur.
Who do you think would win Team Farmhouse MVP?
I think one person who's really put in a lot of effort in doing this is Ashi, so probably her.
I would have to say Mriganko.
It's me.
Follow me. I think me because I'm ordering all the food. Yeah. Either Mriganko or Ritika. Me.
Be Shreya because despite her leg cast, she is still here. So
Shreya because the fact that her leg is in that condition and she's still here.
Probably Shreya because with her condition.
What's one funny or memorable moment you'll never forget from today?
Mriganko attacking Krishiv constantly in the pool was unnecessary but like weird.
Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
Leave me alone, please leave.
Mriganko laying his head on Krishiv's lap.
like we were playing a game, like I was throwing the coin and we were all like rushing towards the coin in the pool looking for it. So the way I was rushing was like I was so aggressive towards it, I wanted it. That was the funniest thing for me.
That everybody tried teaching me how to swim.
And everybody failed.
What message would you like to give your teammates watching this later?
Thank you for making to this day, those of you who were able to, and we sorely miss the team that's not here or people who couldn't make it.
Keep being so fun and open and comfortable and expressive.
We do not miss you. Thank you. We miss you a lot.
I'm incredibly proud of all of you.
I love you all very much.
Yeah, I love this team.
Prakriti, please next time stay with us. You guys have been a very beautiful experience of mine.
We missed you guys for a lot.
I love you all.
If we do this again, what's one thing you'd like to add or change?
Let's hope that we get to do this somewhere else, not in Gurgaon, where we are now pretending to have like this retreat. That's the plan, hopefully, for next year.
My broken leg.
Probably do this on a Sunday.
I would like it to be somewhere more accessible in terms of transport. Change the location maybe.
I wouldn't change anything or add anything. It was it's perfect the way it is.
I would like to have all our other remote team members with us because I miss everybody a lot.
मतलब तुम नहीं आओगे?
रिक्वेस्ट करो, हाथ जोड़ो, विनती करो, प्लीज बोलो,
प्लीज
प्लीज मेरे साथ आइए.
प्लीज मेरे साथ आइए.
Add more games and less rain to the event.
What's your wish for the team moving forward?
I don't think I have ever been a part of something in which so many people put so much of their heart every day to do what we are doing. I think that's something which is a true anomaly, and I'm very glad to be a part of something like this.
That all of us get to grow to bigger and better things with Poles of Art or even without Poles of Art. We're all a bunch of pretty incredible people.
Do this annual day competition.
All become kinder to ourselves. I hope we grow a lot.
That we spend more time together, we bond with each other.
To have more nights like this.
I wish that Polymer will reach at an international level. That you all be successful in life.
This is all I got.
Some more time together like this, more outings.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Are you trying to call them all?
Yes.
Happy birthday!
Gang, 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 gang.
Thank you.
Happy, happy, happy.